Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. So let's get started. You require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Visual Studio 2022 download and press enter. You'll get this first link. Click on it. So on this page, you will see there are three editions. One is the Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition, then Professional and Enterprise. So Professional and Enterprise are paid versions. We are going to download the free Community Edition. Click on free download. So this will start the download of the installer. Once the download is complete, you need to click on open. Create a pop-up, select yes. I'll minimize the web browser. Click on continue. So Visual Studio installer is going to download the required files and is going to start the installation. So now you need to select the workloads based on the technology which you are working on. Like if you're working on web development, you can select the technologies from here like ASP.NET, Azure projects, Node.js development, Python. If you're working on a desktop or mobile app development, then these are the tools available. If you're working on gaming, even for it, Unity and game development with C++ is available. So now we are going to select ASP.NET, and based on your selection on the right hand side, you can see what all features will be installed along with it. You can check uncheck based on the requirement. So I've selected the features and the tools which are required by me for now, and I'm going to click on over here. You can also see the total space required for this installation, and now I'm going to click on install. This will download the required files and install it. Once the installation is complete, you'll get this pop-up. You can select skip and add accounts later. Now you can select the theme for the Visual Studio. I'll select the blue. You can choose the dark mode. Click on start Visual Studio. I'll close this Visual Studio installer as we don't need it. You'll get to see these options. You can open a folder. You can create a new project, clone a repository, open a project or solution if you have already created a solution. So we are going to select continue without code, and that's how the interface will look. Let me close this window. It comes with the GitHub Copilot. You can see all the new features in what's new tab. So I'll close this one. On the right hand side, it is a solution explorer. So you can click on new project. From this menu, you need to select your project template on the project which you are going to work on. For an example, I'll select ASP.NET. Let's select this and click on next. Give a name to your project. I'll go with the default one, web application 1. This is the location where it will be saved, and click on next. From here you can select .NET version, framework, click on continue, create. Now you get the ASP.NET Core overview, connected services, and the publish option. Click on cancel. Let's go back to the overview, and on the right hand side it's a complete solution which you have created with the name web application 1. You can expand and see all the properties. So that's how you can create a project and you can start working on it. And here's a solution explorer where you can explore each and every file and properties. So I'll close this for now. You can also launch the Visual Studio by clicking on this Windows icon and type Visual Studio. You'll get the second option, that is Visual Studio 2022. Select this and this is going to launch Visual Studio. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.